8 tips about how to write an effective essay. Number 1. Select a topic and focus on its context. Firstly, you have to pick a topic for your essay. It is a step revolving around many things, so do it right. You have to make sure that it should be captivating for you and the readers. The theme of your title will be decided whether a reader retains interest around the first paragraph or not. Try to overview the essay to be in a better spot to pick a more appropriate topic. Sit back, relax, analyze, and start a free stream of ideas. Settle your focus and determine the topic's context so you can generate an effective essay. Number 2. Read and grab innovative ideas. Reading can improve your writing skills and helps you know about different ways to convey an idea. It offers you diverse notions and new spectacles. So, try to read as much as you can to avoid replicating what has already been published. You can take help from different magazines, blogs, articles, and online essays to read high-quality materials relevant to your topic. Number 3. Brainstorm and create a framework. Once you have grabbed the topic on which you have to write the essay, you should brainstorm and evaluate it. Many people start writing without outlining the points that can enhance the quality and impression of their writing. So, try to dig deeper into the topic's theme and brainstorm the ideas that you need to sprinkle. Bear in mind that a skilled essay writer knows his audience before beginning to scribble his thoughts. You can create a framework that includes the headings and subheadings. Introductory paragraphs. It will help you write in flow without breaking a sweat. Number 4. Kickstart the writing process. Now, it is time to kickstart the writing process. Once you have gathered all the points, you should start writing accordingly. You have to make sure that your content must be in a smooth flow and the introduction must be catchy, being with some phrases that insist on a reader to read till the bottom line. Here, you can use a narrative touch, remarks, unexpected revelation, a quote, or a general question. But make sure that whatever you write must make sense and transmit to the other sentences. Number 5. Keep the words concise and catchy. Don't rush the process or ignore the slight details that can add perfection to your essay. While writing, make sure that your text must be simple to read and catchy. It should not be stretchy as it can set a wrong impression on the readers. Keep it concise by adding easy to read and logical words. It will help you to hook the readers in a flow. Number 6. Hold an eye on grammatical errors. Grammar issues are not a new thing in the writing sphere. It can occur anytime, anywhere while writing. But the bitter truth is it can set an awful impression on the readers once they detect those bugs. Stuck with your writing, so never take it easy. Try to keep an eye on your words and typos. Also, reread the paragraphs again and again from the reader's perspectives to make them effective. Number 7. Wrap up by sprinkling memorable phrases. Now, there comes the last part and the time to wrap up your essay. When a reader is reading in a flow, they expect some words that make them say whoa. So here you should pitch them by sprinkling some memorable words that got stuck in the reader's mind. In other words, the final words of your essay should be a spice-up that makes the wrap-up fantastic. It will not only help to set the right impression on the readers, but besides insisting on them to show engagements. Number 8. Reread your final draft and proofread it. After playing with words and scribbling up your ideas, it is time to check your final draft. Today, many essay writers put in efforts into writing but skip the proofreading part. Don't move on the same track. Take time and start proofreading with a fresh mind. You can use online tools to get this job done, but we suggest you to do it manually, as it will help you know about the mistakes you have made.